Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to multiply each pair of numbers displayed on the screen and 4 more pairs. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared, which can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This identity is also called special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. First exercise. Multiply 95 and 105 by using the identity a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. To use the identity, I need to write the first number 95 as a difference of two numbers. And then I need to write the number 105 as a sum of the same two numbers. So to solve this exercise, I'm going to write 95 as 100 minus 5 in parentheses. And then I'm going to write 105 as 100 plus 5 in parentheses. This way I have 100, which corresponds to the a in the identity, and then I have 5, which corresponds to the b in the identity. This way, when I apply the identity, this equals to 100 squared minus 5 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 25. I'm going to write both numbers in a column format so I can subtract it easier. This way I have, take away 1, 10 minus 5 is 5. Again, take away 1, I have 9 minus 2 is 7. Then I have, take away 1, 99. Or this equals to 9,975. Next exercise. Multiply 101 and 99 by using the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So to solve this exercise, I need to write the number 101 as a sum of two numbers, and then write 99 as a difference of the same two numbers. When I do that, I have 100 plus 1 in parentheses multiplied by 100 minus 1 in parentheses. Again, this way I have 100 corresponds to the a and the 1 corresponds to the b in the formula. And when I use the formula or the identity, I get 100 squared minus 1 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 1. Then I get 9, 9, 9, 9. Or this equals to 9,999. Next exercise. Multiply 98 and 102 by using the identity. Again, I need to write the number 98 as a difference of two numbers and the number 102 as a sum of the same two numbers. And when I do that, this equals to 100 minus 2 multiplied by 100 plus 2. And when I apply the identity, this equals to 100 squared minus 4, or this equals to 10,000 minus 4. Again, take away 1, I have 10 minus 4 is 6, then I have 9, can take away 1, take away 1, or this equals to 9,996. Next exercise, multiply 104 and 96 by using the identity. To solve this exercise, I'm going to write 104 as the sum of 100 plus 4, and then 96 as 100 minus 4. This way I have 100 squared minus 4 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 16. When I subtract both numbers, I get 10 minus 6 is 4, then I have 9, minus 1 is 8, then I have 9, 9, and 9. So this equals to 9,984. Next, I'm going to multiply 4 more pairs of numbers displayed on the screen. Multiply 89 and 111 by using the identity a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. Again, similar to the previous exercises, I'm going to write the number 89 as the difference of two numbers, and then the number 111 as the sum of the same two numbers. This way, this equals to 100 minus 11 in parentheses multiplied by 100 plus 11, which equals to 100 squared minus 11 squared. When I simplify further, this equals to 10,000 minus 121. When I subtract both numbers, I get 10 minus 1, take away 1, is 9. Then I take away 1, then I have 9 minus 2 is 7. Then take away 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, and then I have 9. So this equals to 9,879. Next exercise, multiply 113 and 87 by using the identity. To use the identity, I'm going to write the number 113 as 100 plus 13, and then the number 87 as 100 minus 13. This way, this equals to 100 squared minus 13 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 169. When I subtract both numbers, I get 10 minus 1 is 9, then I have 9 minus 6 is 3, and I have 9 minus 1 is 8, and then I have 9. So this equals to 9,831. Next exercise, multiply 88 by 112. Again, I'm going to use the identity, and when I do that, this equals to 100 minus 12, and then 100 plus 12 in parentheses, which equals to 100 squared minus 12 squared, or I get 10,000 minus 144. When I subtract both numbers, I get 10 minus 4 is 6, then I have 9 minus 4 is 5, then I have 9 minus 1 is 8, and This way, this equals to 9,856. Lastly, I'm going to multiply 114 and 86. Again, when I use the identity, this equals to 100 plus 14 in parentheses multiplied by 100 minus 14, which equals to 100 squared minus 14 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 196. And when I subtract both numbers, I get 10 minus 6 is 4. Then I have 9 minus 9 is 0. Then I have 9 minus 1, which is 8. And this exercise equals to 9,804. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.